Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel and a brand new hotel room tour. We are here today at room 308. We are in the Leeds Central Travelodge. We're going to get inside the room and show you around. Right, upon entering the room, directly behind the door is actually the wardrobe. Plenty of, cushions? No, I think that's actually the quilt. And you've got 2 spare cushions and you've got 4 coat hangers. I am just staying myself, and you've got some storage there too where you could easily wheel your suitcase. You also have, as I always point out, the fire evacuation plan and also a mirror along with your little do not disturb sign. To the left of the door you've got your double bed. Yes, there's no quilt on the bed, which means one of those must be the quilt. You've got on either side USB, and I think that's USB-C. I'll pop on the screen whether it is or not. You've got little lights. I'll stand back so you can see. You've got your pretty standard Travelodge artwork. Double bed, you've got your towels. They now seem to put on the bed now, and if you need them topped up, you put this outside. I'm only here for one night though. You've got quite a large desk area, little TV, and the fan was on when I came in the room. It is a very sunny day. Remote. Kettle, tea, coffee facilities, and of course for the little bar cafe downstairs. More plug sockets here. We've got 3 here, and again another USB on this side as well. Mirror. Got the chair, and then we actually look down over one of the entrances. So this is a restaurant here, and we come in up the steps. These steps here. Entrance there. There's also another entrance on the other side which is wheelchair accessible. Finally, we have the bathroom. Toilet, extra toilet roll, sink, another mirror, little bin. You've got your hair and body wash, hand soap here. You've got your shower head, nice blue shower curtain, and towel rail. And that's it for this little room tour of the Leeds Central Travelodge. This is just a standard double room. I'm pretty happy with it. It's just me in here. I'm going to close that window though because my god, it's loud. We are quite central, and if I can, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put in a clip before this of the outside, just to show one of the entrances, the one with the steps, just to sort of point out where it is. It's quite near the train station as well, and there is a multi-storey car park opposite as well. And we are in the sort of little LGBT section of bars and stuff, so looking forward to staying the night. So that's it for the room tour. If you enjoyed it, big thumbs up. Comment down below if you stayed here before. All Travelodges are basically the same at this point. It's just all about the location of them. Notification bell so you're notified when a video goes live, and that's all. I've been Disney Matt. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.